What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this board game, Fickle. Fickle, yeah. So this box art, it's really cool. It's
also a box.
It's two ladies, one that's green, one that's red. So let's unbox this.
I really watch. Well, this is the exciting part.
I know, right? Give me the scissors, man. Ooh. Okay. So opening it up,
Wait,
we have this giant book. I'm assuming just the rules. We have a rule card. Like
a box.
Oh, okay.
A very thin box.
So here are the cards. I like this card design. It's very basic but very cool. We have this bag for be a lunch bag. Put Justin's juice in here. Okay, this is a coupon card. Thank you. I'm assuming these are something. I don't know. We've got special cards with numbers and names on them. Should open these. A tiara just for me. I'm so proud of myself. Okay. And a bunch of things. Cylinders. Checker pieces. We've got the plastic of the box, and that's it. That's all that's in the box. Thanks for watching. We'll play the game.
Wait, you forgot about the air.
Oh yeah, the air. Thanks for watching. We'll play the game eventually. It seems really good.